2025 is here, and it's time to power up. From game-changing tech to ultimate convenience, we've got the 6 gadgets you won't want to miss. From portable power banks that never quit, to cutting-edge smart chargers and rugged protection, these are the future of everyday innovation. Stay tuned to discover the gear that will level up your life. Let's dive in. The Capsule Gravity Digital Clock is your ultimate pocket timer, compact and lightweight enough to carry anywhere. Designed for versatility, it features a gravity-sensing flip design that helps you focus with a built-in Pomodoro timer, improving efficiency and productivity in any task. Equipped with a 5,000 mAh power bank, it not only powers the clock for up to 28 days, but can also fast-charge your iPhone, MacBook, or iPad with 20-watt charging, getting your devices ready in no time. The LED display provides clear visibility of time, volume, battery level, and more, while the stopwatch mode ensures you never waste a second. Flip it to start a countdown timer that improves results in study sessions, work tasks, or cooking. Make meal prep easier, compete for speed, or even play fun games using the stopwatch mode. Whether you're focusing on a task or taking a break, this compact device ensures you stay on top of your time management, no matter where you are. This case protects your iPad, lets you comfortably carry it at virtually any angle, and works as a convenient multi-position stand. The STM Dux Swivel Case is the ultimate rugged protection for your Apple iPad, designed for smarter owners who demand durability and versatility. Engineered to exceed mil-spec drop standards, the Dux Swivel offers reliable drop protection with a durable TPU bumper and a crystal-clear polycarbonate back, allowing for easy personalization or asset tagging. Its 360-degree rotating base with a comfortable elastic hand strap ensures secure handling from any angle, perfect for professionals, students, or anyone on their feet. Need to go hands-free? No problem. The sturdy hinge-out stand provides stable support in both portrait and landscape modes. Ideal for watching videos, participating in video calls, or tackling projects. With the optional shoulder strap, carrying is effortless. Protect, hold, stand, swivel. That's smarter. Smarter than most. The Olight Ostation X, the world's first 3-in-1 smart battery charger, tester, and organizer. Tired of battery clutter, battery identification difficulties, and charging hassles? Ostation X is here to the rescue. Just drop, charge, and go with its unique automatic cascading process. With automatic detection, it analyzes, charges, and stores your batteries efficiently. Automated sorting ensures healthy batteries are ready for use, and it can charge and store up to 32 batteries at once. Say goodbye to traditional chargers and hello to a simplified charging experience. Just drop, take, and go. Plus, with app-controlled monitoring and an invalid battery bin, Ostation X is the smarter way to manage your batteries. Effortlessly streamline your battery management with Ostation X. Meet the Miniproca, a revolutionary all-in-one mini PC designed to redefine portability and performance. Featuring a practical 7-inch secondary display, it provides an adjustable 90-degree angle for optimal viewing and interaction. The multi-touch screen enhances usability, making it perfect for design tasks and efficient work on the go. With a variety of I/O interfaces, it seamlessly connects to all your peripherals for a smooth workflow. Effective heat dissipation ensures top-notch performance, even during demanding tasks. Compact yet powerful, the Miniproca brings your world to your pocket, combining convenience, sophistication, and unmatched capability. How many times have you wished your battery lasted longer? It always seems to die when you need it most. I know what you're thinking, another power bank commercial, but you've never seen one quite like this. Meet the iFory power bank, your ultimate travel companion. With a staggering 40,000 mAh, it puts all other power bank capacities to shame. How much is 40,000 mAh? You can charge your iPhone 13 10 times, your iPad Pro 4 times, and your MacBook Pro twice. With iFory, you'll never run out of power again. Equipped with 2 Type-C and 2 Type-A ports, it offers 100 watts input-output for fast charging both ways. Engineered to fit so much power in a casing no bigger than a water bottle, iFory uses an exclusive heat dissipation module and shock-absorbing aluminum shell for protection. Plus, it includes a 1,000 lumen spotlight with adjustable beam. With iFory, we dare you to run out of energy. The Vestaboard Message Board, Flagship Black, is a 42-inch split-flap display that redefines messaging with style and functionality. displaying up to 132 colorful characters at a time. It's an award-winning alternative to glowing screens, perfect for homes and offices. Built from high-quality aluminum and tested for millions of cycles, it's designed to last, backed by a 2-year warranty. Control it remotely via free iOS, Android, or web apps to keep everyone inspired and connected. Easy to install and supported by friendly customer service, it can also access automated content with an optional VestaBoard Plus subscription, unlocking hundreds of channels for endless inspiration. Thanks for watching. Which of these 2025 gadgets blew your mind? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest in tech. Stay ahead of the curve with the best gear, and we'll see you in the next video.